Hey! Don't do that!
I am sleepy and bored and feeling extremely lazy.
Yawning is indeed infectious.
But why are we all yawning?
You started it, and now we're all yawning.
Do you know everyone yawns, from an infant to the oldest man you might have ever spotted? Many believe we yawn because it gives more oxygen to the body. Some say we yawn because the brain needs to cool down. It also helps the body to stretch many muscles and joints in our face and chest, and keeps our lungs lubricated.
So, yawning is like exercise for the face, eh?
I wonder what makes it so contagious. Black magic?
I think it's a signal from the brain for the body to go to sleep. Ouch! Ouch!
Relax, pig. The mosquitoes need to breed.
Oh, what do you mean?